Hello guys, and welcome to Live Well. Today we're going to grow our first set of seeds, which is going to be some iceberg lettuce and some spinach. It's a real easy process. So first what we're going to do is basically make a little space like this. We're going to put some seeds in our hands like that. Not a lot, tiny little bit. Gonna gently sprinkle our seeds. Right, we don't really need a lot of seeds because the bed that I'm using is small, but that should be plenty. Just roughly, gently just spread a little bit of soil over it, because as you put the water on, the water will cover the rest. Right guys, next we're going to do the spinach. Same process. This time we just make a diagonal hole. Once again, let's put them in our hands. You can see the spinach seeds are slightly bigger. So these you can literally hold one by one and place them how you want them to be. Alright guys, that's basically it. Gently cover it back. Set you, the water will do the rest.